Hello, my name is Yusnahani Binti Nazri. My matric number 03DPB21F1016. Hello, my name is Aina Insyirah Binti Alias. My matric number is 03DPB21F1006.
Hi everyone, first of all, I would like to say thanks for giving me this opportunity to present about cleaning and fixing plumbing services. My name is Lakhvinjit, daughter of Joginder Singh. My number matric is 03DPP20F20.
Hello, my name is Intan Jannatul Zulaiqha Binti Abdullah, matric number 03DPB21F1035.
So now I'm going to talk about introduction of cleaning and fixing plumbing services. Cleaning is the process of remove unwanted substances such as dirty, infection, and other impurities of the object of environment. Cleaning is often performed of aesthetic, hydraulic, vestitional, environmental, or safety process. Cleaning consists in many different contents and use many different methods. Several corporations are devoted to cleaning. So for other slide, plumbing services means the design, installation, construction, replacement, service, repair, extrusion, and modification of the pipes, fixture, and other use of the bringing the water plumbing into building and removing liquid and water carry wasted of a building. Plumbing services has include the installation and connection of gas plumbing. Otherwise, I'm gonna talk about its use and solution of cleaning and fixing plumbing services. Cleaning machine, web rate of and reactive flow cleaning machines. Detergent suitable for waste solution. Of example, suitable for kids, older, and surroundings. Other than we also use free bacteria detergent. So at the last, I'm gonna talk about the Jannatul equipment. Economically designed Jannatul equipment that force on the asset of the functionality and actually of the production. So this is the only about me. Thank you very much. I'm gonna pass to my friends. Thank you very much.
I would like to present my part is characteristics. This above is the items that we use in fixing and plumbing services that we provide. Okay, next, this is our features from our services. Firstly, our company provide many professional and experienced workers. Then I will pass to Yusnahani.
Okay, for second features, we have many packages to make our customer can decide whichever that suits their budget.
The third of feature, we using new technology as example, no laundry and portable vacuum. Advanced technology that can be cleaning perfectly. Second, the customer pay us the exacting price. Of course, we'll do the job best we can.
Okay, as you can see, we have three packages that you can decide. Package A, we will cleaning in 3 hours in a day, that costs 100. Package B, we will cleaning and fixing plumbing in 7 hours in 3 days, at which costs 200. Package C, we will cleaning and fixing but in 20 hours in a week, which costs 300. In package C, we will give you free cleaning water tank for you. Any additional will be changed differently. For service center, we have 3 ways to proceed our service. The 6 is by calling, reach out on media social and visit our website. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Next slide, payment method available. First, cash. Cash is the easiest way to pay. 2, online banking. To make online banking method, you have to screenshot proof of your transaction. Third, e-wallet. It's easy that online banking because no need to put account bank. Here we go to next slide, warranting customer service. First, in today, if there is any problem for our service, you can give us a call at 019-566-44800. Second, there is any incorrect fixing, cleaning, plumbing, you can also report to us. Third, within 2 to 4 hours, our company will settle all your complaint. 4, free service will be provided if there is still have issue even after the second visit. That's all from us. Thank you.